Alright guys, well, pushed it into the garage. 92% looks like it might have a battery, but I definitely don't have an engine. I couldn't turn that thing even with a wrench, so I started tearing it down, and you never know what you're going to find in an old engine. Check that out. They broke the dipstick, and they left it in there. They must have fell where they couldn't reach it, right? And they got another dipstick, so... Because for a second I thought I broke it when I was pulling off the top sump. So, haven't taken a carnage apart lately. This one looks like the governor grenaded. I think that's what happened to this guy. Because you can see pieces of plastic gear. Oh, yep, there's some of the governor. The rest just went down there. So, that's what I think happened here. I'll flip it over. Ow, ow, ow. There. Yeah, see what I'm saying? Yeah, that shaft is all bent. So, I say that's what killed this guy. So, compression release was still good on it. Let's see. Should put a tripod on so I can take some of this apart where you guys are still here. Let's see. Did I put it back? What a ding dong. I'll put my drill back. Okay. Now where's my socket set? There she is. Alright, bear with me, fellers. Okay. I'm going to get these cams out. You know what? Here. I don't know what you're going to see. Hopefully you aim right at me. Try that. The scanner doesn't like it. I just put the camera right under the scanner. You hear it? The scanner picks it up. Alright, got the push rods out. See if I can pop this. Guess not. I'm going to need 2 hands for this job. See, 6 minutes left, so this guy's got to be on time. Try that. You ain't doing nothing. Wait till you see that shaft. You got carnage, fellers. You got carnage. The natural habitat of carnage destroyed. Whoa, man, this thing is Grenadeville. Oh yeah, she ain't turning anytime in her lifetime. She done blowed up. Where's the rag? So I won't touch my camera. Bad enough I was touching it before. Oh yeah, she's a donor. lot, but she's a donor. Alright, gentlemen. Feast your eyes on carnage. Oops. I love that. There. That's nice. Then you got pieces of connecting rod. You can see where the governor arm is smashed against the counterweight. All kinds of little goodies down there in the oil pump, and then that piece of rubber, I don't even know where that came from. But she done blowed up. Stick a fork in her. She done. Alright, gents, I don't know. I think this might be... we're going to do what? See how the gasket is and all that on these carriages for guys who don't really know. It's like an upside down. So, I know Pterodactyl had a video on... because I guess these bolts back up, and that's half the cause of these things blowing upward. The case is so thin that I guess they hit the flywheel, crack it. That's how the majority of mine were blown. Was cracked, ran out of oil, blew up. So, gotta love plastic in there, but plastic survived steel, or aluminum, yeah, they ain't steel. Alright, gents. So let me finish tearing down this turd.